Hey everyone, PhD here. Just wanted to give a quick tutorial / explanation video on congregation skip, also known as insight storage. This is a technique that's only currently used in congregation at the time of making this. And as a quick explanation of kind of how it works in the game, in the settings here, you have what's called insight aiming. This is the aim assist for the game, and it only works when you have when you play with controller. However, there's a weird bug in the oversight in the game where if you lock onto something with insight aiming with the aim assist in the game, and then you switch back to to keyboard and mouse, which does not have any aim assist applied to your movements when you're using keyboard and mouse, then when you go and pick up a boof card, whichever enemy you were looking at last, you instantly will get a brief lock onto that enemy. And this is really useful in congregation because it allows you to boof back inside the main room without having to go around or use the geometry clip like was previously used. So I'm going to give an example of what I mean by what this insight aiming is. So here I am moving with keyboard and mouse, and I can come up here, and I have a controller plugged in right now. And if I aim at one of these tripwires, I can press a button, and you can see the insight aiming ring pops up. So, and now that I'm back on keyboard and mouse, that is stored. And what happens is, when I pick up this boof card, I will instantly get a quick lock, and I will be able to teleport back to that tripwire that I was looking at. And you can see, so now I'm in here, and I can just complete the level like that. And so that allows you to not have to do that. It's faster than the old geometry clip that was used in congregation before. So another thing, I showed you that I was on controller with that, but you don't actually need a controller to do this trick. We realize that not everybody may have a controller like they can plug into their computer, so to keep this trick not hardware limited, we do allow a third-party software that you can use that kind of that emulates a controller. So you can get this. This is get this software. It's called the Wu-Ting Double Movement, and I'll link it below in the description. And you can find it just probably by a search. And what this does is it emulates controllers. You can use your keyboard to emulate controller inputs. So what I recommend doing is binding forward, because you're going to be holding forward for most of the game, or for most of the level, to a button. I have it Q, but you can use any button you'd like. And then when you then you can use your keyboard. So right here I'm pressing Q, as you can see, and also I'm also moving forward. But you have to be worried because sometimes that happens. But as long as you don't have any other inputs at the same time, you can get the insight aim lock. So that is a way to do it if you do not have a controller, or you just prefer to not use your feet or whatever maybe. So you can go something like that, and then when you pick up this card, you'll just be able to boof to whatever object you used before. So I just wanted to give a quick explanation on that because it's very unintuitive if you're just watching the videos. If you just watch world record video and it just looks like somebody teleports through the wall, it's very it's very unintuitive. It's not something you can pick up on just probably by watching the videos, so that's why I decided to make a quick tutorial on it. So if you have any questions on this tech or anything that you think wasn't clear enough, you can comment down, let me know, or you can ping me in the speedrun Discord server to clear anything up. Thanks for watching, I hope this helped.